To create or edit a call script, open your WAVV Manager, go to Settings, then Call Scripts. From there, you will click on the plus Add Call Script button. Now give your script a name and begin drafting your script here. When you've completed your script, you can click the Save button and it will now be available to your whole team. You can make it private by clicking on the kebab menu within the Edit screen and selecting Unshare with Team. You'll see on the call script settings screen that the updated call script now shows a single user icon next to the title, indicating this is private to you and won't be shared with the team. You can search for not only titles from the settings screen, but also any content within the call script to quickly find and make changes to what you're looking for. You can make your call scripts dynamic by adding in merge fields. These will update your call script to include metadata about the contact you are on the phone with. For example, when I'm editing the call script, if I click on the Merge Fields button and then click on First Name, I'll see that in my call script it has inserted a first name merge field. When I view this script on a call, the merge field will be replaced with the first name of the contact, given I have that information available in my CRM. Now let's look at what call scripts look like in a call. When you're on a live call, you can open a call script by clicking on the kebab menu of the mini dialer and selecting Call Scripts. This will open the call script thread list in its docked format, where you can view all of the available call scripts to you. Click on one to open it up, and when you're connected with a live call, the data in the merge fields will update to represent the merge value for that contact. While you're connected, you can adjust the font size to make the script larger or smaller. You may also notice that the docked call script is a bit narrow, so you can expand it to a new window that you'll be able to resize and move to another monitor or outside of the window area so you can focus on your dialer and CRM, but use the call scripts for reference. You may also minimize the docked call script when it's not in use by clicking the header, and it can be expanded by clicking on it again.